Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies across the region this morning. You're going to see some more cloud cover move in the low levels for this afternoon with a weak boundary moving to the region, going to give us a chance of some rain showers by about 10 local this morning, and then they'll move through until about 1600 local today. Also have about a 10% chance of a thunderstorm moving through the day, but most likely won't see that, and only seeing that 10% chance, so very slight chance of that occurring. That would occur between noon and 1600 local today. So looking like we'll have the best weather this morning with some more unsettled conditions as we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours today. Our current surface analysis, we have this boundary south of our area, a complex of thunderstorms that's off the Carolina coast. We have a weak area low pressure along this boundary is going to be moving through the region today, and that's going to give us our chances of showers for this afternoon and for later this morning. Our current observation is a scattered deck at 12,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet, east winds at 3 knots, temperature 56 degrees, and relative humidity at 76%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have a deck of cirrus cloudiness across the area, as well as some mid-level cloudiness moving in from the south and west. And taking a brief look at our radar imagery, you can see we do have some rain showers currently across south central Virginia, starting to move towards a region with that area low pressure, and that'll move through, as I mentioned, most likely after 10 local, and best chance comes between noon and 1600 local today, as well as some low clouds likely during that time. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see there's rain showers moving through. This is 10 local, 11, and then 12 local with some rain showers in the area. Let's move in the mid-afternoon hours. Should see those rain showers start to move off the coast and up north of our area, or farther north of our area, and that's going to give us just some low cloudiness, chance of drizzle for the late afternoon hours today. We'll see a brief period of clearing for later on this evening, and that's going to allow for with some southwesterly winds, allow for us to see some warmer temperatures briefly for the evening hours today. But overall, looking like a day, we'll see temperatures steady in the 50s for most of the day today. And taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have those orange conditions for our precipitation. Southeasterly winds gusting 19 knots for later this morning in the afternoon hours, and we'll see a period of lighter winds out of the south 5-10 knots. And we'll see our winds switching out of the southwest, and that's during the time period we could see those temperatures bump into the lower 60s for later on in the late afternoon to the evening hours, gusting to 21. Then we'll see a cold front move through for later on in the evening hours into the early overnight hours, seeing winds gusting up to 23 knots of the northwest. But overall, I'm not going to see any precipitation with that cold front passage, but just some increased winds as that cold front moves through. And then by tomorrow morning, we're going to see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions, winds out of the northwest, gusting 20 knots by 8 local tomorrow morning. A high today will be during the evening hours at 62 degrees, but during the daytime hours today, we'll see highs in the upper 50s, lows tonight in the mid to lower 40s across the area, expecting 44 degrees at Wallops. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we're going to see VFR conditions this morning, and then once we move past noon, we'll see lower level cloudiness move in the region. A possibility we see ceilings down to 500 feet, and then by 1600 local, we'll see ceilings at 500 feet or lower. And then by 20 local, we'll see those ceilings start to improve with that cold front moving towards the region, winds out of the southwest to west. That should allow us to see some drier air in the low levels. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see a scattered or broken deck around 1,500 feet. As far as our rain shower chances go today, we'll see a chance after 10 local, a good chance after 12 local, and a 10% chance of a thunderstorm between 12 and 1,600 local today. Our tides are running slightly above normal at this time. And looking at Tuesday and a Wednesday, green chart on Tuesday, mostly cloudy overcast and slightly breezy, high 56. Tuesday night overcast, a chance of shower early, becoming mostly clear by dawn, low 40, seeing about a 20% chance of a brief sprinkle Tuesday night. And for Wednesday, we'll see mostly sunny conditions and seasonable temperatures, a high 55 degrees. So for Wednesday, looks like a very nice day with lots of sunshine across the area. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, look at the next 7 days.